Good night, ladies and gentlemen. This is old Chef Brent Thomas, Cooking with Brent, and tonight I'm going to be making Taco Bell's Soft Taco Supreme Taco. So tune in right here, right now. Let's go. And the sauce, El Paso taco sauce for this, and stir it up to the mind. Okay? You see? Just like that. Okay? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the show. And in goes the soft taco tortillas in my microwave oven. Let this cook for about 30. Whoa. 30 seconds in the microwave, alright? We'll be right back. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the show. And now I'm going to assemble the tacos right here. The flour tortilla. And make sure you give it a good stir. Okay? Stir up the meat. And stir the meat to combine. I'll be coming back when I add in the pasta in. Okay? Alright, to the show, ladies and gentlemen. And now I'm going to add in elbow macaroni. Throw it in. To combine. And stir. Make sure you stir everything to combine together, okay? And also, if you have another thing, that if you have a big pot or a big skillet that's good enough, just like that. Okay? We'll be right back. Alright, went to the show, and now I already added this cheese and the shrimp on top. What I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap it up in foil, let it bake for 30 minutes. Nutrition facts is 1 serving size of 1 bottle, 28 calories per serving, and total fat, 0 grams of total fat, 85 milligrams of sodium, total carbonate, 7 grams of total sugars as well. That's what it is, okay? So without any delay, time for the taste test right here, right now, ladies and gentlemen. Taste test time. Let's go. Stay thirsty, my friends. This Mountain Dew Baja Point Break Punch Soda is delicious. Tastes good to perfection, everybody.